Hi guys, I'm Sana. Chicken curry guys, but the twist. I gonna cook this in the slow cooker with mung beans with the coconut milk. And here it is. So I put already the mung beans in it guys, look. So I can add the chicken and everything in a minute. So guys, I add some mung beans in it, look. So we're gonna cook this in the slow cooker. So this is my own things guys. So look at that. Now it's 11 o'clock, so by 5 o'clock that will be ready for dinner. Okay. So guys, here is my chicken curry cooked in the slow cooker, and I put some coconut milk in it and mung beans guys. So here it is. This is the chicken curry, look. So now, all I can do, wait for the rice and ready to eat. So you can tell the mung beans is in there. In Tagalog or Bisaya, I think we call it munggos, you know. So anyway. So it's the fish you can do when you cook chicken curry. You put it in the slow cooker. Because you know what? Tastes yummy and tender the meat. So guys, here is the chicken curry. Tastes yummy guys.